Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send video as document in WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to send original quality full size video on WhatsApp, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now here you need to open the chat window of the person to whom you want to send the video. Now here you need to press on this attachment icon. Now here instead of selecting gallery, you need to press on document. Now press on choose from gallery. Now from here you can select the video which you want to share as document. After selecting the video, press on the tick icon. Now here it will show the file name and the file size. Also you can add a caption to this video. And after adding caption, press on the send button. Now here it will not show the thumbnail of the video. It will show the file name, and if you have added the caption, then it will show the caption. So friends, like this you can very easily send video as document in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.